Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, we have a friend that my boys went to co-op with, and
Okay.
he went through the Lancaster program.
Oh, okay.
He is 17-ish now, 18
Okay.
maybe, so
Yep.
he's about to graduate out of it.
Right.
But he
There's
did
a
that.
plane,
He was here
there's a
before,
helicopter.
you know,
Plane,
Lancaster Air Force.
helicopter.
So, it's good they're flying in different elevations.
Yeah.
They're pretty close. They're like crisscross.
Snook.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's going up to Fort Union Town Gap probably.
Oh yeah, we live close to that. It'll probably fly over our house.
不要，这是谁是？
Yeah, those are